Chomko LA runs on the motto, nothing counts like excellent service. We invite people to talk to our current customers. Our years of experience, coupled with our manufacturing and vendor partners, enable us to deliver the most affordable and effective solution. The overall objective is to meet our customers' need by providing the highest quality outdoor clocks, indoor clock systems, and audio communication systems. We pride ourselves on being a company that is well-versed in the different options available. You can trust us to find the best options for your organization. We lay out these options in a way that you can easily digest so you can make the best decision for your facility. What you'll find is that with us, every option is easy to install, simple to use, and maintenance-free. Please enjoy our website and contact us at 800-964-5749 or hit the quick quote button and we'll respond immediately.